Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out another skin tint. Skin tints are just one of those makeup products that I gravitate towards, love to try out. That and cream bronzers. So if you are new here, I love skin tints and bronzer. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know I love skin tint and bronzer. So we are going to try out the skin tint from Glossier. I have not tried out any products from Glossier, so I am really curious to see how this product works and excited to try it out. Comes in this pretty little packaging, minimalist looking packaging. Just says on the package to shake, then smooth over moisturized skin with fingertips, blend upward and outward for sheer coverage and an instant dewiness. So we're going to try this out, but I also want to give a little comparison to the Summer Fridays skin tint as well as the Makeup Forever skin tint, and I'm just going to swatch it on the face and just kind of see which coverage looks the best. Going online, just looking up a little bit about Glossier skin tint. It is a lightweight skin tint with sheer coverage that evens out the look of skin tones, minimizes the appearance of pores, and leaves skin with a smooth, dewy finish. That sounds absolutely perfect, like what we would want. So it comes in 12 shades. It has a 4-star review. So some of the complaints I did see were shade matches. So kind of what they ordered and what they got was different. Got to try them out in stores. Too messy and like very liquidy and not enough coverage. It is a skin tint that says sheer, so it's kind of like, if that's not what you're looking for, they did have a more foundation-like foundation that would give a lot of coverage. I swatched it on my hand and I was like, this is way too much. So it was $38 Canadian. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing the Glossier Skin Perfecting Skin Tint on the skin, I got it in the shade G8, and kind of comparing it to the Summer Fridays and Makeup Forever skin tint, then just keep watching. All right, my loves, let's try this out. So I'm just gonna go in and take a little droplet on my finger. I did swatch this on my hand at Sephora and it felt really, really nice. So yeah, you really want to shake it up. I can see the oil and the product kind of separating from each other. I did give it a shake, but once I blend it on the skin, I think it'll be okay. So I'm just gonna go right here on the side of my face and just blend it through. So you can see it's kind of giving a blurring effect without really looking like there's much on the skin. I can see this softening of the skin that happened. That looks really nice. I mean, essentially this is what you want. You want your skin to look like your skin without any heaviness on it. That is an interesting product. So that feels a little different than what I felt from the Summer Fridays, and it actually matches perfectly with my skin right now. All right, I'm gonna do the Summer Fridays on the other cheek. And I'm gonna do the same kind of thing, just squeeze it out onto my finger and then blend it out with my hand. So it's funny because the packaging says that the Glossier gives you a dewy finish, but I don't see that. I see a really natural skin-like finish. I find the Summer Fridays has a dewier finish to it. So it's kind of, I think, maybe just a preference of how you want the finish to look on your skin. Both are giving same amount of sheer coverage, same amount of hint of color. I'm just seeing a little bit more radiance from the Summer Fridays than the Glossier. Not that it's like bad or good, it's just that is the difference. This has just a really soft skin-like finish, when this has just a little bit more radiance to it. And maybe I will just go up on the forehead with the Makeup Forever Skin Tint. This one I think will have the most coverage. Whoops, the daisies just dropped everything. Yeah, this one gives the most coverage and the most color to it. But still, it's very skin tint-ish. It's just giving a little added bit of coverage. So right now, I'm definitely just going to say it's all personal preference with how you want your skin tint to look, because this is really pretty. This is really nice and unique and just soft and diffused on the skin. This one has a little bit more sheen to it, and this one has a little bit more coverage. I'm just going to use some micellar water and take off the skin tints, and then just go in and do a makeup look. So you can see that there is stuff on the face, even though it looks like, and Glossier definitely, it looks very sheer and like you have nothing on. You do, because it's like, you could see that product there. So really all three are very beautiful skin tints. Again, just I think kind of go for your personal preference on product, price. I think Glossier is the cheaper of the three, so that's nice. $38. I think the other two, I think Summer Fridays is around the 60 mark, and the Makeup Forever is around the 50 mark, so more affordable, which can be a factor for sure. So got those off, and now we will do a makeup look with the Glossier. So first I'm going to start off with the Supergoop Glow Screen SPF of 40 broad spectrum sunscreen, as well as this is a great primer for the skin and going to give that extra enhanced glow and luminosity. I think that this will pair really nicely with the Glossier, after seeing that it kind of has a little bit more of a natural soft finish. Having this little radiance underneath will be really pretty. And getting our SPF on too. All right, now that we got our radiance, I'm really gonna give this a good shake, just because it was in the packaging, so I'm sure it has separated a little bit from being just sitting on the shelf. All right, let's go in and try this all over the skin. So like it said on the packaging, to put it on and then kind of blend upward. Oops. Yeah, this is pairing really pretty with the glow screen. I just love any kind of skin tint that feels really almost like a serum on the skin. The cat is scratching underneath the bed right now. Gilbert, what are you doing? Yeah, this is gorgeous. I'm really happy that I picked this one to try out. because it dries down really softly too. Like I said, on my hand, when I tested it out, I could feel that it just dried down really soft. That just looks really clean, fresh, radiant on the skin, light. A sheer amount of coverage and color, blurs out the imperfections. Very, very nice. I want to bring you guys to the natural light away from the all perfecting ring light, just so you can see how nice my skin looks in natural light. I'm going to go in with my Hourglass concealer. I have this in the shade 3 Oat, and I've been using this on the daily. We'll definitely be purchasing the bigger size, investing in that, because this is such a nice concealer. Great coverage, but also feels pretty light on the skin and doesn't accentuate any of my wrinkles or age my under eye at all, and just oxidizes to a nice natural bright color in the corner of my eye. I'm just going to add a little touch to the outer corner of my eye as well, just right here where I get a little bit of darkness and shadowing. Just kind of brighten up that area as well. Just blend it into the other under part of my eye. And a little bit goes a long way with this product. I am going to go in with my Halo Glow wand from e.l.f. I think I need a new liquid bronzer because I've just been enjoying using something a little bit more liquidy and buffing it out, as opposed to the contour or bronzing sticks that are just more of a cream rather than a liquid. I think they just blend out a lot nicer and just more soft and easy to work with a soft buffing brush. Just look a little bit more sheer on the skin as well. Just gonna contour my nose a little bit with my Essence Contouring Duo Stick in the shade, I think I have this in the shade Light, yeah, Light. So I just kind of like to really put the contour right on that part of the nose. Gives it a little sun-kissed look. On either side of the bridge of the nose to kind of narrow it out, and definitely right near the end to shorten it and just make it a little bit more petite. And then I'll go in with the other side, the light side, and add a little bit of highlight. This is my favorite wand for doing my nose contour because it's so small. So it just gets into the areas perfectly and just more easy to manage. And with my Tower 28 Bronzino as my blush, bronzer, and highlighter today. And let's see, just might get a little brush, a stippling brush to use to pick up some of this product and just pop it up on the cheekbones. It'll just give me a little color, a little sparkle, a little highlight, all in one. Line my lips with MAC's Oak just to keep it really simple and neutral on the lips and just natural looking. And this is the final look. I really enjoy the way the Glossier looks on the skin. I think it's an awesome skin tint, more on the affordable side from Sephora, which is great and has a great shade range. So definitely check it out if you are looking for a very nice sheer skin tint for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.